welcome back to our YouTube channel where we talk about finance, personal development, charity, and travel. In today's video, it's yet another travel vlog, and we are going to pack with you. I've shared packing tips before. I'll link the video down below, but in this video, we are going to pack with you. So let's do this. At this point, I want us to pack together, and as you can see, the suitcase is ready. To be honest, I overpack because, as you will see, I have quite a number of clothes which do not match the number of days. These are bottoms only. You can see they're already filling one side of the suitcase. The reason I overpack is because I can't imagine not having an outfit when called upon. So, I just carry them. Yeah, so let's go to the next lot, which are tops. I also carry them in plenty. I think I'm going to line them here, some of them. Here, I've decided to drop one of the bottoms so that I can have a dress. Okay. So we have quite a number of tops also because I just cannot imagine not having an outfit. You can roll them up if your suitcase is small. Then I have these jumpsuits. So I want to squeeze them somewhere there because I don't want to fill up the suitcase before I put everything. Okay. Of course, if you're going to a destination with a swimming pool, you need your costumes. So I have 4 costumes. Yeah, I just want to be sure that I will not struggle. I'll arrange them better. I just want to share with you. This is what is it called? Kimono. Okay. The other thing I must carry is a towel because I just prefer to use my own. And of course I have my bathing towel over here. Then I have my nightwear. I'm just going to carry 2. Okay. I also have these 2 lasers in case I need to use them. Then I have the iron box in case I need to iron the clothes, which will go there. That's why I was leaving that space. Then, because it's going to be a long trip, I have some snacks. Actually, when I was picking this, I thought I was picking chevda. Yeah, so anyway, then we have some biscuits. What I don't have is a drink. Then we have some choco fingers. Then we have some apples. There are 2. The other things we are going to carry is a shower gel. We have our Garnier Skin Active. Of course, some body lotion. We have a toothbrush. We have a shower cap. We have sunscreen. We have some socks in case there is cold, and we have the bathing towel. This is a scrubber, and we have masks. I have not been to SGR in the recent past, but for the aircraft you must have a mask. So I don't know about the SGR, so I have to be having my mask just in case. Then I have my sandals. I'll be getting another pair, honestly, because if you watched our previous video, I said I lost my sandals to the ocean. So I'll have to get a replacement because the ones I have, they are a bit old and worn out. Yeah, so that is the only item I've not shopped for. And of course, one other thing I'm going to add will be the toothpaste. Yeah. Also, we have some rose water. I had forgotten. And of course, we have the innerwears. In the process of packing, I've just realized I need a hand luggage. So I'm going to put my snacks in this bag. Okay, and of course a few things just to act like my handbag. And the other thing I carry, let me show you, is a book, and my current read is Create Your Own Future: How to Master the 12 Critical Factors of Unlimited Success by Brian Tracy. Okay, so to go into my hand luggage, I'm also going to need a notebook for whatever notes I may have, and also a pen. Of course, I'll have to take notes of the things I'll be recording later. So for my toiletries, I'm going to use this bag. It's a monkey bag, but it has disconnected here. But remember, I'm using the monkey bag. Sorry, yeah, inside the suitcase. So I'm just going to add my toiletries. I got toothpaste. I had showed you all the items, so I'll just add them into the bag. And we have a hairnet, yeah, and we add this. So let's add our notebook, and then we can add the pen over here. At this point, I want to remind you, two other things that you don't want to forget is your national ID, because you cannot travel without it, and your medical card, that is insurance, because you never know. If anything comes up, you need to be sorted. So I'm going to add my sandals here. This place takes 2 pairs. So I'll have this one pair and another one. Why I like this is that I can go with it to the beach and I can use it to shower, as in like slippers. So we have our luggage ready. This is the main one. And then we have the hand luggage, which will be this bag. Of course, with a few items here and there. The other thing you must remember as you pick your ID is, gosh, what is it called? I've forgotten. I'll tell you. I've remembered. It is a charger. Ensure you have a charger for your phone so that you're not always looking for help all over from someone who could be having a charger. Yeah, so I think that is it for the packing part. So I don't know where next we meet. So see you on the next part. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. If you're a returning viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Kindly remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share. Share with your friends and family. See you on our next travel video. More videos are in the pipeline, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Bye!